Hey everyone, I'm Gulnarveer Krishna. I'm an entrepreneur and a mother. I think what kickstarted my dreams for a brand management firm was the fact that I was given an opportunity and a responsibility to take care of one brand. And that kind of made me think if I can do it for one, I can do it for 1,000 others. And that gave birth to my brand management firm, #marketing. And the challenges that I faced, I don't think I faced any challenges, to be honest. I would take them as my growth channels, and I think I'm very grateful and to all our clients, our team members. They've been such a huge support in this journey. So challenges, no, not really. I think very early on in my life, I wanted to be authentic and true to myself, and I feel my journey in brand management has been that much more fulfilling by being true to myself and to my clients and the products and services that we believe in. So I think the part of making the quick buck and just focusing on your profits or focusing on fame, success, I think all of that is a byproduct if you're true to what you really want to do and you have fun doing what you're doing. I think the support system that I have is very strong, and I'm very grateful to my family, my team members and my friends who step in and create this beautiful balance for me between my personal and professional life. Also, by nature, over the years, I've also trained myself to be very organized, and I know what to focus on and prioritize, and that time management along with people management that I've learned, I think that really helps, and it's struck a great balance for both parts of my life. My dream was always empowerment, whether I was empowering myself or others. And I think along with empowerment, I also learned that collaboration is strength. It's not competition. And I think when we join forces, we're also able to face our fears and grow together. And for me, the most important thing has always been to have that strong team spirit. And we can achieve a lot more than just I. So I feel that empowerment, collaborating with like-minded individuals, people who have their heart and soul in what they do, is the way forward for all of us. So I definitely don't want to give the cliched advice of follow your dreams and follow your heart. The only two things that I would advise is, one is to stay consistent with whatever it is that you want to do, and the second and most important is to never give up. I think all of us, with the challenges that we are facing, which we feel are challenges, but they're actually opportunities for us to grow. So please grow through everything that you're put to task for, and be consistent, and I'm sure all your dreams will be achieved. The one success mantra that I always follow is nothing ventured, nothing gained. So explore that much more and keep all your doors and windows open, because opportunity is going to come knocking. A lot of abundance comes in, and I do wish everyone all the best with this message. Wishing everyone a very happy Navratri and Dashara. Stay safe and stay happy.